Need to change the time zone manually on your Android phone or Samsung Galaxy device? This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Manually setting your time zone can be useful when traveling, troubleshooting incorrect time settings, or using a device in a different region. First of all, open the settings applications. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel and tapping the gear icon, or by finding settings in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap General Management. On some Android devices, the option may be located under System or a similar menu depending on the manufacturer and Android version. Now, tap Date and Time. This section controls how your device manages the current date, time, and time zone. To manually choose a time zone, turn off Automatic Time Zone. Your phone normally uses your network or location to set the correct time zone automatically, but disabling this option allows you to select one yourself. If you also want full control over the device clock, you can turn off automatic date and time as well. Once automatic time zone is disabled, tap Select Time Zone. A list of regions and countries will appear. Choose the country or region you want to use. If the selected country has multiple time zones, you'll be asked to choose a specific city or time zone from an additional list. After making your selection, the new time zone will be applied immediately and your device's clock will update accordingly. Time zone changed successfully. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick Android tips and easy tutorials.